Hello lovelies, thank you for stopping by my channel, and today we'll be making buttermilk. So today I'll be teaching you how to make buttermilk in two ways. So we'll be starting with the evaporated milk. Take a half cup of evaporated milk into a bowl and add another half cup of water. Now you stir. Okay, when we stir, the next step is to add a teaspoon of vinegar or any acid of your choice like lemon. Then you stir it properly. Yeah, so you can see that's what I'm doing. Okay, our buttermilk is ready, so let's get to the next stage. Alright, in a bowl, add quarter cup of milk into a bowl and add half and quarter cup of water into the powdered milk. The next thing is to stir properly and make sure there is no lumps. So you can see I'm trying to make sure everything is going smoothly. You can see. Okay, just like we did for the former one, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of acid. So I'm using vinegar as usual. So I've added it, so I'll just stir and I will set aside for 10 minutes depending on how I want it. You can still keep it for 5 minutes if you like it that way, but 10 minutes is the best. Okay, our buttermilk is ready. If you see, the face is looking rough, which means it is ready. This is for the evaporated milk. You can see how it is. So I'll just stir it and I'll store it. So let's get to the next one. This is the powdered milk. If you check properly, you see the face is rough. It's coagulated. Okay, I'll just stir. I'll stir it. And it is ready for use. All I have to do now is to look for a clean jar and pour them in. So I'll be storing them differently. So let me look for a bottle. Okay. So the buttermilk is very good for cake. It makes your cake soft. It makes it so soft and moist. It's, you see those crumbs you see when you cut cake. It makes your cake steady. It will leave your cake crumbless. Like there is an English like that, crumbless. I say I turn it here so that I can easily pour it into a jar. Thank you for watching.